Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so the fix works. Check the game and launcher paths and make sure you have enough free disk space. This avoids partial installs. Back up the SDK and config files now so you can restore if needed. Once done, run the Rockstar Launcher as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus or overlays that can block SDK components. These steps prevent permission and file lock issues, and they let you proceed to deeper repairs without losing data. Now you repair the SDK and its dependencies so the runtime environment is healthy. Use the launcher's repair or verify integrity tool to force redownloads of corrupted or missing SDK files. This often resolves checksum errors. Next, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables, NET runtimes, and DirectX to replace broken libraries. Make sure environment variables and path include the SDK and required runtime folders, because incorrect paths cause the launcher to load old or incompatible DLLs, which breaks the toolchain. Finish by cleaning up and verifying behavior so you confirm the problem is gone. Clear temporary files, reboot the PC, and then relaunch the Rockstar Launcher. This ensures new libraries load correctly. Reapply any mods or custom configs only after basic SDK tools run cleanly, and test by opening the SDK and reviewing its output logs. If issues persist, check logs for error codes, enable verbose logging, and, if necessary, do a clean reinstall of both the launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.